Chodesh Tov, everyone. Month of Geula. I want to thank our sponsors for this week: Malki and Jeffrey Mayer, Elishma Jeff's father, Moshe Azriel Ben Chaim Simcha, which was Yortzeit is today on Rosh Chodesh, the Shamash Van Aliyah. Thank also our monthly sponsors for the month of Nisan, Linda and Mark Grunbaum, Elishma Mark's father, Reuven Ben Chaim, whose 30th Yortzeit will be on Chav Vav Nisan. Olav Shalom, and thank also Chaim Yofel sponsoring as a schut for the son Binyamin, fighting bravely with all our soldiers in Lebanon. Hashem should shine His countenance upon all of them. So today, Rosh Chodesh, we say Ya'aleh v'Yavo. So what is it that we want, Ya'aleh v'Yavo, that it should rise and come and reach and appear and be favored, v'Shama, v'Paked, v'Zocher? What is it that we want? It is Zichronenu ufikdonenu, our remembrance and our recollection. In other words, we want God to remember us at this time, which of course a little strange because Ein Shikcha Lifnei Kisei Kvodecha, there's no such concept as forgetfulness before God. So why are we asking Him to raise up and come and reach and achieve before Him Zichronenu Figdonenu, our remembrance? And Rav Aviner explains that what it really means is that conscious. Of course, there's no forgetfulness before God. And of course, He always thinks about us. But what we want is that that remembrance should be manifested. It should be apparent to all of us. Zichronenu ufikdonenu. That God is thinking about us and concerned about us, and we realize it. It's tangible. And the truth is, I've been thinking for a while now, the phrases that we say in the davening, that during wartime, no doubt take on a different dimension to it, especially in modim. Nodilacha unesaper tilatecha. We give thanks to God. We relate His praise. Al chayenu hamisarim yadecha. There's no doubt that everyone feels that our lives are given over to God's hands. Ve'al nishmotenu hapekudot loch, and our souls are entrusted to you. The dangers are there sporadic, but they come. The dangers, but the miracles that we experience every day. And your wonders and your favors that come all the time, they're constant, night, morning, afternoon. And I was thinking just this morning, night, morning, afternoon, that's like our sporadic schedule of missile fire from Iran, from Lebanon. It could happen at night. It could happen in the morning. It could happen in the afternoon. There's not really any rhyme or reason to when it comes. It's disruptive. We've had just this week in Shul a Shachrit interrupted, a Mincha interrupted, and a Ma'ariv interrupted by alerts or by sirens. So yeah, it happened even the other day when I was speaking here. And yet the fact that basically we swat them away and every loss is precious, but to see these missiles come, ballistic missiles are huge, and they're either shot down before they get here or they're shot down after they get here, and the damage, there is damage, but it's relatively little. It's so miraculously disproportionate to what it can be that's zichronenu fikdonenu. That's how God shows us that He remembers us. Other countries, and I mean, Dubai is suffering far worse than we are. Qatar is suffering far worse. Saudi Arabia is suffering far worse than we are. And the missile defenses are similar, but apparently they don't have the same efficacy that they have here. Al nisecha shebechayom imanu, al niflatecha v'tovatecha, for your miracles and your wonders and favors. I had a discussion yesterday with someone in shul. Or 2 days ago? What's the difference between nissim and niflaot? Because we say this in ala nissim also. We say this many times. What's the difference? So the Maral says the difference is that nissim, you see from here, they're banners that God raises within nature. That's al nisecha shebechol yom imanu. The miracles that we see every day, they need not be deviations from nature, but they're with us every day. And without that, our lives, our souls that we entrust to Hashem would be lost, would be lost. And yet God maneuvers it that it's not so. Niflaot, your wonders, that's a pella. A pella is something wondrous, stupendous, unexpected, defying nature. Lemala min hateva. It's unnatural. It's supernatural. That's what niflaot is. We experience this on a daily basis. Nisecha niflaot. You know, I was just learning something yesterday. After Entebbe, whose 50th anniversary is coming up in July, where Moshe Feinstein said, it's a nes galoi, it's an open miracle. It's impossible that you should be able to fly so far and rescue people and bring them back. It's not a hidden miracle within nature. Rav Moshe Feinstein was the Zionist. He said it's an open miracle. And now we fly even further every day to Iran back and forth. We're finding people in bedrooms and killing them. That's not normal. That's one of the rockets being shot down. It's not normal. It's abnormal. It's supernatural. It's zichronenu fikdonenu. That's what it means that God remembers us, recollects us, and does in such a way that we feel it, we experience it, and for that we give thanks. No, Nisan Negolu, Benisan Atid Ligoel. Nisan is the month of redemption, as it was back in Egypt. So should it be this month as well. Chodesh Tov.